P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Fuck's sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where is a glass?
And that's it.
And while the dragon is touching, simple hobby. It's all but unknown to him, which gives us a distinct advantage. You asked me to find the 14th member of this company, and I chose Mr. Baggins. There's a lot more to him than appears to suggest. And he's got a great deal more to offer than any of you know. Including himself. Be responsible for his fate. Agreed.
Terms cash on delivery up to but not exceeding 1/14 of total profit if any. Seems fair.
Like that on your arms, or we'll whip his off.
Our business is no concern of elves.
For goodness sake, Sonic, show him the
accessories and extras and so on and so on. But I think Peak Evo arrived with this one, the Evo 8 GSR. And that is the sound of everybody on every Evo forum on the internet ringing up to tell me I'm wrong.
This Subaru and James's Evo have exactly 276 brake horsepower. There was also a rule in the World Rally Championship which stated the engine could have a maximum
and get your bathroom looking and smelling brilliant. New Flash Spray White Done. Back to clean in a flash.
You don't have to smile
Yes.
at back pain. Let us help. Voltarol is clinically proven to provide maximum strength pain relief for up to 12 hours.
And the light entertainment business was different. Popular shows like The Golden Shop, fronted by the charismatic Bob Monkhouse, reflected society's attitudes at the time.
Philip, you married? Yes. How long? 10 weeks. 10 weeks? Yeah. So you've been enjoying the power cut? Yeah.
What are you doing?
It was part of your daily routine, part of your life, every day of the week.
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.